I'm going to take you through the steps of setting up your course so it is ready for the next semester. Before you do this though, you do need to cross-link courses if you want to do that, and you need to import content in if you're going to do that as well. Now if you're importing content, a lot of your settings will be retained from the previous course. If you're setting up a brand new course, you'll have to do all these steps. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a course. I'll choose this tinkering class. And the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that my home page is set to course modules. This enables the kids to see your modules on their home page. I go ahead and click Save. Next step, I'm going to go over to Settings. And up on the top right, I'm going to click on the Feature Options tab. And I want to go ahead and select List Students by Sortable Name. That means it's their last name first in the gradebook. And I also want to enable images for courses. That way you can put a picture if you'd like to use a picture. I'm going to go ahead and click Course Details. And I want to now refresh this. So up in the top left is the refresh button. And you'll notice when I refresh it, there's a place for me to choose an image if I'd like to put an image. You don't have to put an image if you don't want to. Next thing where it says name, we don't need all this extra information. The kids don't need to know about that. And so it's just my Tinkering 2 class. I'm going to scroll on down. My start date is going to be the 22nd of January. My end date is going to be June 15th. And you'll have to look up your start and end dates if this is not recent. You also want to check on this. Users can only participate in the course between these dates. So I'll check on that. And then finally you want to, this should be unchecked, but you want to go ahead and enable course grading scheme. You'll check it. You'll click View Grading Scheme. And then up on the top right where it says Select Another Scheme, that's what you'll want to do, and you'll want to choose your school's grading scale that you want to use. The last thing you'll want to do is you'll want to come down here where it says Update Course Details. After that, you can go ahead and click on Home, and it'll bring you back to your home page. Now before I can publish this, Canvas actually wants you to have something in your modules. Now if you brought content over from a course, you already have modules. But if you don't have any modules yet, you can just go ahead and create one real quick. And you can create something like assignments. I click Add Module, and at that point I can go ahead and click Publish, and it is ready for the kids to view. That's it.